Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a social logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo button next to the t-shirt option at the upper side of the screen, and in the features section you can find the social logo options. And here just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, tap to the edit button and go to the keyboard icon. Write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type and just select an author, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and select an author color. If you want to add another graphic elements and photos to your project, go to the graphic option, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, and in the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section, select a color and new you can draw on your project, and if you go to the brush section you can find the different elements and objects. For example, click to the butterflies option and new you can add butterflies to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.